Man freed of rape charge after complainant changes story. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A man who was facing multiple charges ranging from rape to abduction in the Supreme Court was freed recently when the complainant made critical changes to her testimony. Wilbert Beans was freed of the charges of rape, forcefully abduction, robbery with aggravation, and assault occasioning actual bodily harm. He walked out of court a free man since he was charged back in 2018. It was alleged that in 2018, Beans abducted the complainant, dragged her into bushes, physically assaulted her, raped her, then stole one of two cellular phones that she had and $300, which was all the cash he had on her. According to the report, the complainant phoned one of her relatives and told them what had happened. They advised her to report the matter to the nearest police station. She reportedly took a bus to the Constant Spring police station where the matter was reported. However, on cross-examination, she made key changes to her testimony, including how she knew the accused, which caused the jury to disregard her testimony and render a not guilty verdict. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.